Verification of Archimedes' principle. Archimedes' principle states that when a body is totally or partially immersed in a fluid, it experiences an upthrust equal to the weight of the fluid displaced. That is, when an object is immersed in water, it feels lighter. The buoyant force does not depend on the weight or shape of the submerged object, only on the volume of the immersed part of the object. Archimedes' principle can also be applied to an object of density greater than that of the liquid. If the density of the object is greater than that of the fluid, the object will sink. If the density of the object is equal to that of the fluid, the object will neither sink nor float. If the density of the object is less than that of the fluid, the object will float. Aim. The experimental verification of the Archimedes principle by immersing an iron block into tap water and saturated salty water. Materials required: iron stand, spring balance, iron block, wooden base, digital balance, water, overflow can, 200 ml beaker, salt, glass rod, and spatula. Procedure: hang the spring balance from an iron stand and note the reading of the spring balance. Place an overflow can filled with water on the wooden base. Now, hang the block from the spring balance and again note the reading of the balance. Place an empty beaker on the digital balance. Note the reading of the digital balance. Adjust the object holder on the iron stand to bring the spring balance with the suspended iron block down into the overflow can. Immerse the block fully in the water. Weight of the water displaced from the overflow can to the beaker is equal to the loss in weight of the block in water. Note down the reading of both the spring balance and the digital balance. Calculate the loss of water and upthrust using the formula: loss in weight of the body is equal to mass of block in air minus mass of block in water multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. Upthrust is equal to volume of block multiplied by density of water multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. Preparation of saturated salty water. Take 200 ml water in a beaker. Put some salt in the water and stir well. Continue to add salt till some salt is left undissolved in the water. Make sure that you stir the water well after each addition. Fill the overflow can with prepared salty water. Place it on the wooden base. Place an empty beaker on the digital balance and note down the reading of the digital balance. Hang the iron block to the spring balance and note its reading as well. Adjust the object holder on the iron stand to bring the spring balance with the suspended iron block down into the overflow can. Fully immerse the block in the salty water. Salty water displaces from the overflow can into the beaker. Note down the reading of both the spring balance and the digital balance. Calculate the loss of water and upthrust using the formula: loss in weight of the body is equal to mass of block in air minus mass of block in salt solution multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. Upthrust is equal to volume of block multiplied by density of salt solution multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. It is found that loss in weight of the body is equal to the upthrust. Hence, Archimedes' principle is verified.